Did you know that you can make money sitting in your pajamas, sipping an espresso coffee, or working on a tropical island? And the best thing is, it's actually easier to get these types of jobs I'm going to mention in this video when you don't have any experience, and I'll explain exactly what I mean by that. Welcome to the 13 best remote jobs for beginners, and there are going to be amazing options for you on this list, whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, whether you're creative or analytical, or if you're an ambitious type person, or you just want a chill job where you can do like 2 hours of work per day and then just enjoy the rest of your life. Now you might be thinking, oh, you can't work remote because you're in a career path where you have to be there in person and there's just no remote opportunities for you. And I remember I used to think the same exact thing myself because I was a pharmacist. Now, a few years ago, I was working as a pharmacist and the job was really good, but then the whole cough situation happened in the world and I started to get burned out. I felt really stressed out in my job. I thought it was an endless cycle of being stressed out and stuck inside of the pharmacy for 12 to 13 hours per day. And I also saw that the world got shut down and I realized that my dreams of traveling, right? I dreamed of traveling the world since I was young, might not always be there someday, right? I might not always have that opportunity. So I started looking for opportunities to work remote and I was able to keep working on a pharmacist and go on my first remote vacation to Puerto Rico with my best friend, John. Now, if you're in a situation where you can't land a remote job, I know this is probably gonna hurt, but I have to tell you, it's probably because you aren't skilled. It's probably because you don't have the skills where you can put yourself in a position to leverage your skills and have a opportunity to work a remote job. It's just the God's honest truth. Because if you had incredibly valuable skills, companies would be fighting over you and they would be offering you opportunities to work remote if you'd like to. And that's the difference between going where the opportunity is, learning valuable skills, and just going where everybody else does and following the crowd. And honestly,